What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. First of all, before we get into Ethereum, I'll cover all of the technicals and all of the fundamentals, of course. But before we get into that, I do want to say that I have a new computer set up right now. So I'm still kind of tweaking with the settings, and I felt like the audio was a little bit hard in my last video. So I turned it down a little bit, so let me know if it's all right, please. And apart from that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in the pinned comment or the description. But now let's get right into Ethereum. Alright, so as most of you know, yesterday we actually received quite a lot of bearish momentum during the afternoon. That was caused by more bullish momentum from the dollar strength index, which in turn was caused by a major European bank which was in trouble. So when the euro is in trouble, which it is if a major European bank is falling, then the dollar strength increases, which is negatively correlated with crypto, so crypto falls down. Ethereum fell down a little bit harder than Bitcoin. You can see right now that there seems to be more bullish momentum for Bitcoin than for Ethereum, but Ethereum still held its ground. I mean, we did fall down below our support level around 1680 and 1660, so that's now our resistance. But altogether we found great support at around 1610, and we're now basically, I would say in terms of market structure, we're between 1600 and 1680, kind of in that area, which is definitely not a bad area to be in. It's still very bullish. So yeah, but that's where we are right now. You can see that we're respecting 1660. The dollar strength index has tempered down a little bit because the big bank, which is called, by the way, Credit Suisse, nicely said in a French way, I think, a Dutch French way, was saved, or at least was partially bailed out, I guess you could say. So that's why the dollar strength index went down a little bit. And I would say that the dollar strength index in general is still bearish. So that's why I'm still fairly positive about crypto, even though right now the financial circumstances in the market are very, very volatile and risky and uncertain. But alright, we'll just have to deal with that. Right now, I think Ethereum is mainly just going to be waiting for next week when we have new interest rates from the US. Which right now it's still expected that it will go up to 5%. I've heard mixed expectations throughout the market. So we'll have to wait for that. I still have to research that thoroughly, but I will keep you updated on that, of course. But right now, I really think we'll be waiting for that to get that really strong next impulse, unless another bank fails or something. I mean, obviously we will move that, but I cannot really predict that. So altogether, what I expect is that we'll stay in this level. I actually do think that we'll drop down towards 1600. Today we had some economic events that could be considered as bearish for crypto. So altogether, I think we'll drop down to 1600, but I do think we'll hold that. I think we're strong enough to hold that. And I would even say that if we would get a breakout, it would be more likely to get a breakout above 1680 than it would be to have a bearish breakout between or below 1600. So it's overall, I'm still fairly positive. In the end, what we're looking for is to get a break above 1680 again, which will bring us up to 1720. It will not immediately bring us up to our main price target around 1800. But depending on the outcome and kind of the expectation of the interest rate next week, we can definitely get there. So it's really dependent on that, I think, but also kind of what kind of updates and news we get in between now and the decision next week. So I'll keep you updated on that. For now, as I said, I expect on the very short term, I expect a little bit of bearish momentum. But overall, I'm still fairly bullish on Ethereum. So that's my take on it for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.